Now, I would like to good morning. Good morning. Say all happy Independence Day. Students, again happy Independence Day. More louder. Happy Independence Day. Why now it is more louder than before? So, we are celebrating 18th Independence Day. So this is the day only one word will find out in the dictionary of the human being, that is the freedom. But the freedom, area of the freedom, it is not smaller, it is the wider. So after 80 years, we got the freedom, but still we have not freedom in some cases. We find out the new digital India, but we are not still free from that corruption, good education, etc. But on the other hand, we can also remember the history how we took the freedom. Because it is not individual. It is the cost of the blood, it is the cost of hanging, it is the cost of the bullet, it is the cost of the Britishers torture to the freedom fighters, and they also sentenced to the jail that is called the Kala Fund. So it is not easier to read in the space and implementation of the moral values in the modern society. So we must always remember the history, not the past, history is the present, and history also the coming future also, because it gives us the lesson. So always we remember the freedom fighters and giving that the symbol up to Mahatma Gandhi and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. For so many 30 to 40 years that boys, when I reached to that Muzaffarpur, so that time I can remember how Chandra Bose struggled in the British. So I think we respect all the freedom fighters of India, tricolor, and obviously our nation, that is the India. And first our identity, we are Indian. After that, what are maybe X, Y, Z, that one. So all of you see, when I say first our identity, we are India, and never we will forget our freedom fighters. So today we just pronounce to all our freedom fighters. This is not an easier day. Because 14 August what happened in 1947, that is also not easier. And that is Murshidabad and the 15th August under the Pakistan. Unfortunately, because Mufti in our Murshidabad got the freedom in the 16th August. Now we are in the India. So these are the history we remember. The previous day I started that one. After independence, only not India won, India or the Pakistan, but so many independent kingdoms are there. Jammu Kashmir and Gujarat also, Hyderabad also, and how they are not doing India. Now अभी हम लोग का जो भारत है, ये अखंड भारत है, it looks for a kingdom territory, and if it is not India, now it is the Hyderabad, then we have to make the what passport within the country. So we must remember, this is such a subject which gives us lesson, not commit the mistakes. If we commit the mistakes, again we not repeat it. We accept the mistake and we will find out the new path to give the new path to the new generation. How they grew up in it so much digitalized world which people are simple mind. So I have on the mobile one message from the independent platform. I will request all my students, all my colleagues, all my teachers, please away from the digital media because maximum people now they have lost their good sleep. Read the book, consult with the elders, let's use the digital media, proper time early evening, within 9 in the food, go to bed and awaken the Nidra Devi. Again you have 8 hours to 7 hours sleep. Then only think about the world. You can think about India. Then you can think about yourself. Identification of the yourself. Thank you. Again, respect to all freedom fighters. Respect to my elders. Respect to my younger. So सभी को अभिनंदन देना है। थोड़ा बीच में